Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting opportunity for freshers. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notified instantly. Yes, so dear freshers, we are glad to inform you that Amazon Pay are hiring BE BTech freshers for software developers profile, and we are here to give you the information about the same. So these are the details of Amazon Pay freshers hiring. Amazon India Emerging Payments. They are looking to hire software developers who are passionate to design and build a next generation payments product. Once this product is built, it will provide a new payment gateway to millions of Amazon India customers. So this is an exciting opportunity to design and develop a new fintech product and right from the scratch. So these are the eligibility and criteria details. The candidates are expected to have a bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. Freshers, that is 0 years experience candidates to up to 3 years of software development candidates can apply for this requirement. And as far as percentage or year of pass out is concerned, there isn't mentioned anything about this. So these are the basic technical skills expectations. The candidates should have knowledge of at least one of the object-oriented programming language like C++ or Java or C#.NET or Perl. Also, the knowledge of object-oriented programming, analysis and design and data structures is must, along with algorithm design, problem solving and complexity analysis. Apart from the basic required skills, these are the additional preferred skills. The candidates should be result oriented with a delivery focus. They should have effective verbal and written communication skills. They should be team working, highly motivated and should be motivating to others. They should also have knowledge or having knowledge of machine learning or statistical analysis will be an added advantage, along with web services and web applications development knowledge. So this will be the job profile. If you are selected, you will be working on and using latest AWS technologies. Then you will also be working on server-side encryption on DynamoDB using client-managed keys, API gateways, AWS VPC, CloudTrail, and Elasticsearch. Also, you will have an opportunity to learn and work on machine learning, interacting and influencing the Amazon third-party partners like their associated banks, NBFCs, etc. Yes, so definitely it looks a very interesting job profile. Yes, so to apply for this drive, you are requested to visit this URL, which is www.bit.ly/AmazonPay21. I repeat, it's bit.ly/AmazonPay21. Please note that this URL is case sensitive. Hence, make sure that when you are entering this URL in the address bar of your browser, it is entered correctly, typed correctly. So dear students, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you are finding our videos a lot useful. So Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placements company. We provide various job-oriented diploma courses in full stack Java, .NET, testing, data science, Python, etc. And along with quality trainings, we are very well known for strong placement support, as we have placed more than 6,000 freshers in last 7 years or so. So we start new batches in both online as well as offline mode every week. So to get more details about our courses, you are requested to call these numbers which are displayed in this slide. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course, which covers multiple technologies right from your basics C++ database voice networking to the backend, where we have complete Java track, core Java, web-based Java frameworks. In the front end part, we have web design and Angular. From server-side JS, also we have Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB. We also cover Python programming as well as software testing in this course. It helps you to develop your skills all around and also explore placement opportunities which are specific to these skills. We also offer aptitude and soft skill sessions complementary with this course to prepare you for interviews. This is the similar course in full stack .NET developer Except for Java, we have .NET track here, C#, .NET, ASP.NET, and MVC, WCF, WP. This is a similar diploma in software testing, which covers both manual and automation testing. Yes, so these are the highlights of our courses. All our trainings, whether online trainings or offline trainings, they are live trainings conducted by senior trainers. So yes, by live trainings, I mean that they are not pre-recorded ones as you will find on other e-learning platforms. And since these are live trainings, a lot of interaction becomes possible between the students and the trainers, which helps them get all their doubts, queries, questions solved immediately. Yes, so definitely interaction is the most significant thing when it comes to learning any technology or anything basically. We cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course as we have seen in our full stack developer course snapshot. We give a lot of importance to hands-on approach. We have daily assignments for our students which they practice in the lab. In the labs also we have lab trainers who guide them in the assignments, because ultimately your practical knowledge matters the most. Your skills, technical skills, they matters the most when it comes to getting job in IT industry. And yes, the most special thing as Profound EduTech is, along with quality trainings, we offer daily exclusive campus drives for our trained students in Java, Angular, testing, Python, data science, .NET, etc. So thank you so much for watching this video once again. Please be in touch with us on all the social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. Our Facebook page has more than 50,000 likes. Do like our Facebook page where we keep posting all our updates regularly. Yes, also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. You may also find us on Telegram. Our website is profoundedutech.com, and also follow us on Instagram where we keep posting all our updates regularly. So thank you once again and hope to see you soon with one more video. Till then, take care and be safe.